Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I did this green eye look. I hope you guys like it. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. To prep my face before makeup, I'm using this MAC Plepris Prime Fix Plus. So it works as a primer also. So I'm using it before my base. Starting off with my eyes first, so I'm using this eyebrow pencil. I got this from Eyeshadow. It's in the shade light brown. First, for shaping my brows, I'm using this angular side pencil. So I'm underlining my brows to know my brow shape. Now, as you can see, after shaping my brows, I have less here in the front. I'm gonna fillet my brows with this pointed pencil, which is the another side of this brow pencil. So I'm gonna draw a little strokes on the front. To conceal my brows, I'm using a lighter foundation. So I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hours Foundation in the shade 120 Vanilla. The same foundation which I had applied to conceal my brows, the lighter one, the same foundation I'm going to use on my eyelids to get the maximum pigment of the color. So for that I'm using this small beauty blender. I got this from Westside. After applying the white base for the maximum pigment of the eyeshadow, I'm using this Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 20 Light Medium. So starting off with my eye makeup, I'm using this NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette and I'm using this green shade onto my crease first. Onto my eyelids, I'm using this green color. So under the eye, I'm using this shade first, which I have already used on my crease. To my inner lower lash line, I'm using this lighter shade, the color which I filled on my eyelids. Now to highlight my brow bone area, I am using this Krellin palette and the palette name is Variety. This palette I'm using this lighter shade to highlight my brow bone area. Now moving on to the face, I'm using this Sephora 10 Hours Wear Perfect Foundation in the shade Moin Medium 25. So I'm using this foundation brush to apply my base. To blend in the base, I'm using this beauty blender from PAC. To contour my face, I'm using this NYX 3 Steps to Sculpt palette. I'm using this shade for contouring. Using this blush from Lancome in the shade Blush Subtle. I'm using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. using this nude pencil from Sephora on the waterline. To finish my eye look, I'm gonna use the lashes. These are the random lashes which I got it from Amazon. I'm using, and it has some black and green here as you can see. So I'm gonna use this middle one. After placing my lashes, I'm using this Dior mascara. It's a Dior Show Plump and Volume mascara on my lower lash line. To finish my look, I'm using this Color Bar Lip Definer Lip Liner in the shade Chocolate Brown. Now I'm using this lip gloss from Studio West in the shade Disco Diva. Now to set my base, I'm using this MAC Prep Plus Prime. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it, and if you do, give it a thumbs up, click on the subscribe button, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any update when I upload my next video. Love you all.